Hello, welcome to the Computer Knowledge channel. Today we're going to talk about some time-saving keyboard shortcuts. It's been essential to know when you are using PC or laptop because you can't keep use mouse, which makes you like you are not a true computer user. As you all know, there is a shortcut key, Alt plus Control plus Del, which is also known as quintessential key. It takes you through many options like you can shut down, restart or open Task Manager, but if you want directly go to Task Manager, then you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC. It will open Task Manager from where you can close program that is interrupting your work. Next one is going to help you a lot because you use it often. It is for Open File Explorer, or you can say My Computer. Just press Windows plus E, it will quickly open My Computer. If you're working on a program and want to jump on other program without touching mouse, just press Alt plus Tab. There you go, you've quickly opened other program. You can hold Alt button and by pressing Tab button again and again, you can select other programs too, which are running in background just like this. Next, shortcut keys work same, but in 3D way, which makes it look more cool. Just press Windows plus Tab. Cool, right? Tell us in comment how much you like it. Moving on, next shortcut. It is for minimizing programs. Press Windows plus M or Windows plus D, but I do more prefer Windows plus D because you can maximize program just by pressing Windows D again. Remember that this maximize or minimize all programs at same time. Next shortcut do a lot work just by changing last letter. Maybe it can be little complicated for you, but when you will get used to it, you'll never need to use mouse. First, open any program and press Alt plus spacebar. You will see a box. Here you can know what can you do more by adding the letter those are underlined just after Alt plus spacebar. Let me show you an example. My program is maximized right now, that means it is in full screen. Now I will press Alt plus spacebar and then R. You can see, now it is restored. That was easy, right? Now I will press Alt plus spacebar, then M. Using arrow keys I can move my program anywhere. Then I will press Alt plus spacebar and S. Again, using arrow key, you can resize it, and when you done just press enter key. I hope you liked this video. Click on subscribe button below. Don't worry, it is totally free, and if you want you can press bell icon too, so that you get notification when our next video will come out. See you in next video.